Good job. Good job. Hey guys, so since still a few people are complaining about me feeding other animals to the lions, I thought today we're gonna change the diet a little bit and see how the lions react on it. So we got here some fruits and some veggies. Real apple, very delicious. Bananas. Yeah, so as you guys can see, they're not enjoying any vegetables, no fruits at all. They're only into meat. And this is how nature is. They have been born like this and they have to feed off another animal to be able to survive.